In this video, we show how to replace riser 2 in a PowerEdge R770. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove riser 2 with risers 1 and 3 removed, slide the clip back to the unlock position and then lift up on the riser and remove it from the system. To install riser 2, align it with the system and lower it into place. Then press blue clip back to the lock position. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R770, visit dell.com/support.